Hello, lovely soul. Ayan, welcome back po sa aking channel. And kumusta po kayo? So, everything is happening for a reason. Okay? Kaya ka nagkaroon ng spiritual awakening because you have given a chance to show your authentic self. Okay? Binigyan ka ng pagkakataon upang maipakita mo kung sino ka talaga. So, kailangan you have to be true to yourself. Kailangan maging totoo ka. And by this time, you have to trust the process. Okay? Trust, okay? It's time to trust the process and stay open. Stay open to what life brings your way. Okay po, lovely soul? Stay in alignment with your heart and soul. Okay? Para, dahil kapag ginawa mo yun, the universe will aspire to brings you what you need. Okay po, lovely soul? Lahat ng kailangan mo ay ibibigay ng universe sa'yo. Okay? And you have to be open sa mga signs, sa mga signal na ibinibigay sa iyo ng iyong guides. Okay po, lovely soul? Stay open, okay, to what life brings your way. And you will get what you need. Okay? So, yun lamang po. Thank you for watching. God bless and I love you. And kung mayroon po kayong gusto na ipagdasal ko, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box and I'll do it. I will do it for you. Okay? So, thank you for watching. God bless and I love you.